Haver and Berker Machinery Division, North America. Founded in 1977 with a single mission in mind to support and grow American manufacturing across every industry, with the latest technologies in bulk material handling. From our earliest days, we stood shoulder to shoulder with the industries that keep this country moving, building strength, reliability, and trust into every solution. Because American manufacturing isn't just built on steel and systems, it's built on grit, on long days, tough conditions, and the relentless drive to keep production moving. From the hum of legacy machines to the precision of modern automation, we've evolved alongside the heartbeat of this nation's industry, carrying forward a legacy of hard work and reinforcing it with innovation built for what's next. As our mission grew, so did our commitment, expanding our manufacturing, strengthening our support, and standing ready for the industries that power America. This 4th of July, we recognize the businesses across this country, the builders, the makers, the operators, who have helped shape the last 250 years of American progress. And together, we continue that legacy, driving innovation, strengthening industry, and building the future of American manufacturing.